What does food and communication have in common? Food serves two purposes. One is for nutrition and the other one is for pleasure. When we have a meal, we don't only think of the nutrients that this meal is giving us, we also think of the pleasure, of the flavor, of the spices, of the presentation of the meal itself. And so is with communication. Communication serves two purposes. One is knowledge and information, and the other one is emotions. As a communicator, you don't want to share communication information only with your listeners. You want to share emotions as well. So if you are excited about the knowledge that you are sharing, you want to show that excitement. If you think that there's a sense of urgency, you want to show that sense of urgency. Whatever emotion that comes with the knowledge and the information that you're sharing with others, you want to add it to your communication style. Now, similar to a meal, you don't want to overspice it and to add too many flavors, otherwise you will ruin it. And so is with communication. You don't want to add too much excitement, too much flavor, so to speak. You want to make it as subtle as possible. You want to feel the emotion, you want to feel the excitement and share it with others. You don't want to give them dry, boring information, but at the same time, you don't want to over spice it. Think food next time you're communicating with others. Try to cook that perfect speech or presentation.